everyone, welcome to Deep Rift News. My name is Sky.
And my name is Tama. It is a pleasure to be reporting to you.
In Deep Rift News, you will get the latest scoop and inside stories.
We've been busy here at Deep Prep, and we've surely had a lot of events in the first quarter.
That's right, it's been a lot of fun.
We want to give the exclusive of what happened in the first quarter.
And to give us those scoop, let's welcome our Deep Prep reporters.
Hello, my name is Gail.
Hello, my name is Dean.
We are going to report about the first event we celebrated.
It was Mother's Day.
On this day, we celebrate our mothers and the mother figures of our lives.
On Mother's Day, the students prepared cards and flowers for their moms.
We also ask our mothers to come to our classroom so we can pay respect to them.
We love our mothers dearly. It was a beautiful day.
Mommy, Mommy, I love you, Mommy. This is your special day. Flowers and presents and breakfast in bed. Whatever you wish for, I'll give you. Hello, my name is Fleur.
And my name is Fanfan.
In the beginning of September, we had our back-to-school workshops.
This was an important day where our parents visited the school and our classroom.
Our parents got to learn more about our curriculum and the innovative learning opportunities we experience here at Deep Prep.
It was a great experience for our parents.
On the same week, we had a K2 graduation.
Our K2 students from last year were able to finally have their graduation ceremony.
It was a beautiful ceremony. Miss Donna and Miss Mia gave their speech.
The students performed the song called When I Grow Up, accompanied by our grade 4 students, Boy 5.
And I will wake up when the sun comes up, and I will watch cartoons until my eyes go square. And I won't care 'cause I'll be all grown up when I grow up.
Hi, my name is Dragon.
And my name is Safe.
By the end of September, different classes went on fieldwork visits as a part of their project.
The K1 students went to Top Supermarket at Mega Bangna to look for ingredients to make their ice popsicle.
The K2 students visited the Siam Museum to learn about Thailand and Thai dishes. They participated in an interactive activity that showcased the ingredients that make up our favorite Thai dishes, such as som tam and pat kapao.
The grade 1 student went to the Golden Jubilee Museum to learn more about King Rama 9 projects.
They saw exhibits of King Rama IX solving problems by using his imagination and skills.
The grade 3 and 4 went to Ayutthaya farm to see sufficiency economy in action. We searched for real-life example of goods and services.
Grade 5 and 6 students had an opportunity to interview Dr. Yong Puravan and Dr. Wachawa Pumpradip.
The students learned that preventing the spread of COVID-19 is more than a scientific challenge.
Community and compassion are important to keep citizens safe and healthy.
Following the footsteps of King Rama IX, who lived his life in action, that supported the well-being of all citizens of Thailand.
Hi, my name is Nami. We recently had a memorial for the late King Rama IX. The students sang together to pay respect and express their gratitude. He inspired the theme for a celebration of learning. Each class presented their project to their parents and our parents. We also watched a video of our project and fieldwork. We answered questions regarding our project. Hi, my name is Sonam.
And my name is Jin.
This week we have Loi Krathong.
The students got to make the katong.
The kindergartens acted and play games on stage.
The nursery students stand on stage.
Our mother joined in our contest.
We floated our katongs on the water.
We had a great time.
ชายหญิงสนุกกันจริงวันลอยกระทง
ลอยลอยกระทงลอยลอยกระทง
ลอยกระทงกันแล้วขอเชิญน้องแก้วออกมารำวงวันลอยกระทง
Hello, my name is Neya. Hello, my name is Kunpon. Thank you for listening to our stories here at Deepak News. We had a wonderful first quarter. We look forward to the second quarter. We know that we have an amazing time. Thank you to our parents, teachers, staff, and school leaders for taking care of us. Have a great day. Happy Halloween.